오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. I am Babsi. Today I want to show Korean style potato pancake. These are green paprika. I grow them. Very beautiful. I told them every morning, beautiful, beautiful, and they are also very happy. You see, very shiny. It's very beautiful. I'm very much proud of myself. This is a potato. You know, I grow this green paprika, onion. This is green onion, egg, some cake flour and water. First we grind potato. This potato pancake is very simple. Any your friends are suddenly visit to your home, and you can make. Immediately you can make a very delicious, and they will be very surprised. And onion and potato, very good match. This onion smell is very nice. One egg, and we put a little bit powder, cake flour, just a little, and we put a little bit water, okay, just a little, and then mix. Will be very fantastic. Every house has a potato and onion. Only one potato, this much. Okay. Before we fry potato pancake, we make just a sauce. This garlic, my friends I said, my sauce is very, very fantastic and very delicious. Very delicious because I make a very simple. Green paprika. Green paprika is so hot. Every morning I give to them water, and every morning I told them nicely grow up. And the green onion. Good deal. From now we make a sauce. First we put the soybean sauce. No need many, this much, like this one. And 1 spoon, little sugar, small spoon. Paprika powder, just a little. Sesame. If you don't have sesame, no need to put. In my opinion, in foreign country, find that the sesame is very difficult, also very expensive. Nice, very nice, it's very nice. Very delicious. We just put a little bit here, and then we put here. Yes, from now we make this potato pancake. Put the oil like this. Potato pancake fry. Nice. One potato is very much. Maybe we can make a 3. In your home, suddenly you have a visitor, you can make with this potato pancake. You know this Korean name, 빈대떡. Korean people normally raining day we make this with this you know Korea rice wine, 막걸리 and this together eating very nice. Normally Korean people raining day with this Korean 빈대떡 and some 막걸리 together, really fantastic. 네, 어떻게 그?
No!
Nice, very nice. We make one more. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Onion and potato, very good match. You know, this smell like a fantastic, very, very beautiful, very delicious. Smell is very nice. Potato, onion together, very nice. It's very simple recipe. Final. Make a beautiful. Make a round. You know, this is a potato pancake. 감자. Potato Korean means 감자. 감자 빈대떡. When you go China, any market you can buy 1 RMB. Waiting a little bit. Really? Really? Look at this. Look at this. Look at. Really? Really like so much. Okay, really. Give me hand. 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 Maybe English doesn't understand. Give us some. Yes. Give us some. So. Yes. Ha. Ha. 쳐봐. 쳐봐. Give us some. So. Beautiful. So. 这个 漂亮，吃吧，吃 OK。Ready, very beautiful. This is sauce. Very simple.